Hello, my name is Niall Hanna, and this is Rachel McGarrity, and we're absolutely delighted to be back in Madden's Bar, a brilliant Madden's Bar of Belfast, and we're playing today as part of the trad sessions for Féile in Earraigh, and we're delighted to be able to come and play some music for you. So we're going to be starting off with a song called The Curragh Road, and it was written by a lovely singer-songwriter from Cork called Ger Wolf. So this is The Curragh Road. In the summer we'll go walking way down to the river, down the Curragh Road. There's a blue sky we'll walk under, listen to the humming bees, and on we'll go. We won't worry about the winter, worry about it raining, or worry about the day. In the summer we'll go walking way down to the river, down the Curragh Road. Past the cattle at their grazing, through the woods of hazel, holly, birch and oak. Past the cattle at their grazing, singing to the bluebells, sunlight is their host. We won't worry about the traffic, worry about the way to go, worry about the day. In the summer we'll go walking way down to the river, down the Curragh Road. There is music in the river, listen to it dancing underneath the bridge. And the wind is hardly breathing words unto the willow branches overhead. We won't worry about the government, worry about the way to go, worry about the day. In the summer we'll go walking way down to the river, down the Curragh Road. We won't worry about the government, worry about the way to go, worry about the day. For in the summer we'll be laughing way down to the river, down the Curragh Road. Thanks very much. We're going to go on now with a Belfast song, and this is quite an old song that was written, I suppose, in honour of the great Henry Joy McCracken of Belfast. So I heard it on a record that was made by a traditional singer called Frank Hart, and I think he recorded this on an album with Donal Lunny. So the song is called Henry Joy. An Ulster man, I am proud to be. From the Antrim glens I come, and although I labour by the sea, I follow fife and drum. I have heard the tramp of marching men, I saw them fall and die. Ah, lads, I do remember well when I followed Henry Joy. I pulled my boat up from the shore, and I hid my sails away. I flung my nets upon the tree, and I scanned the moonlit brae. I kissed my wife and children dear, a fond and last goodbye. And there in the shade of the greenwood glade, I followed Henry Joy. It was for Ireland's cause we fought, for home and sire we bled. Though our pikes were few, our hearts beat true, and 5-1 lay dead. And many's a lass she lost her lad, and mother mourned her boy. For youth was strong in the gallant throng that followed Henry Joy. They built a tree, and the redcoats mustered there. I watched him come as the sound of a drum rolled out through the barrack square. He kissed his sister and went aloft. He waved a fond goodbye. Alas, he died. I turned and I cried, they have murdered Henry Joy.
Thank you. We're going to continue on with a set of tunes. So I'm going to play a hop jig. I think it's called James Kelly's. I'm going to go into a jig called the Rolling Wave.
Okay. We go. Okay, we're gonna do another song now, and this was written by another songwriter from Cork, actually, a great singer called John Spillane, and it's a song called Passage West. So hope you like it. I met my love in Passage West. The sun was sinking down to rest. The river to the stars confessed 'twas the dark-haired woman I love best. We wandered down by the chapel square, and there was magic in the air, and Mother Nature gently pressed the burning river to her breast. I offered her a golden ring, my hand, my heart, and everything. I offered her a sweet love nest by the flowing banks of Passage West. Oh love, will you go, will you go, will you go? Oh love, will you stay, will you stay, will you stay? Oh love, will you go, will you go, will you go? Oh love, will you stay, will you stay, will you stay? We watched the ferry come and go. We watched the river ebb and flow, the tide breathe in, the tide breathe out. We watched the passage flowers grow, the ghostly forms of the hungry years in sad procession did appear, but hope and sorrow made their way for their passage west to America. Oh love, will you go, will you go, will you go? Oh love, will you stay, will you stay, will you stay? Oh love, will you go, will you go, will you go? Oh love, will you stay, will you stay, will you stay? The famine queen stood tall and proud. On either bank the people bowed. From Passage West came a Fenian yell, rule Britannia, rule in hell. The grass grows green on the other side, and mighty ships sail out the tide to far-flung harbours across the sea, far away from Passage, my love and me. Oh love, will you go, will you go, will you go? Oh love, will you stay, will you stay, will you stay? Oh love, will you go, will you go, will you go? Oh love, will you stay, will you stay, will you stay? I met my love in Passage West. The sun was sinking down to rest. The river to the stars confessed 'twas the dark-haired woman I loved best. All right, we're going to go on with something different. This is a song that I wrote quite recently, and it has quite a happy little story to it. So yeah, we'll give that a go, and Rachel's going to play a bit of guitar here as well. This is a song called The Dark-Eyed Girl, so I hope you like it. On a fine day in the summer, colours bloomed and lovers strolled along down where the river meets the bay. He was fondly waiting for his dark-eyed girl and praying that someday she would return to him again. Like the sun between the rain, I see her now and then, and the sky above comes fading into view. And to see her once again, I will wait here till the end for my dark-eyed girl. Well, he met her there one morning, and her smile was gently glowing. He said, "It's only you I've loved since long ago." And all beauty was surrounding as they wandered neath the mountain, and he told her he'd never let her go. Like the sun between the rain, I see her now and then, and the sky above comes fading into view. And to see her once again, I will wait here till the end for my dark-eyed girl. Well, it was true, he made her happy, and she loved to hear him laughing, oh, as they would go out dancing in the night. Soon they met each other gladly on a hill where they were married. Now they live together safely on the shore. Like the sun between the rain, I see her now and then, and the sky above comes fading into view. And to see her once again, I will wait here till the end for my dark-eyed girl, for my dark-eyed girl. Okay, we're going to do another song now, and this is quite a well-known emigration song that was made famous by Dolores Keane. It's called The Rumbling Irishman. So. I am a rambling Irishman, in Ulster I was born in, and many's the happy hour I've spent on the banks of sweet Loch Earn. But to live poor I could not endure, as others of my station, and to America I sailed away, and left this Irish nation. Right hand in the na, tant in the na, right hand in the red handy. The night before I went away, I spent it with my darling from 3 o'clock in the afternoon till the break of day next morning. But when that we were going to part, we lay in each other's arms. Well, you may be sure and very sure it wounded both our charms. Right hand in the na, tant in the na, right hand in the red handy. The very first night I slept on board, I dreamt about my Nancy. I dreamt I held her in my arms, and well, she pleased my fancy. But when I woke out of my sleep, and I found my bosom was empty, well, you may be sure and very sure that I lay discontented. Right hand in the na, tant in the na, right hand in the red handy. At the other side, we were both stout and healthy. We cast our anchor in the bay, going down to Philadelphia. So let every lad link with his lass, blue jacket and white trousers, and let every lass link with her lad, blue petticoats and white flounces. Right hand in the na, tant in the na, right hand in the red handy. Right hand in the na, tant in the na, right hand in the red handy. Right hand in the na, tant in the na, right hand in the red handy. Right hand in the na, tant in the na, right hand in the red handy. Okay, we're gonna go on now with a song called The Greengrocer's Daughter. So it was written by a singer called Kevin Doherty. So The Greengrocer's Daughter. Hope you like it. married the loveliest girl in the town. I married the loveliest girl in the town. I married the loveliest girl in the town, and she's sound, sound, sound. She grew ever lovelier, left for a while. She grew ever lovelier, left for a while. She grew ever lovelier, came back in style, and she's sound, sound, sound. Well, we met by the river, I remember we did. She was pushing a pram with her sister's kid. She looked at me then, I remember she did, on a Saturday afternoon. Well, I married the loveliest girl in the town. I married the loveliest girl in the town. I married the loveliest girl in the town, and she's sound, sound, sound. I married the loveliest girl in the town. I married the loveliest girl in the town. I married the loveliest girl in the town, and she's sound, sound, sound.
Yeah, we're going to go on now with a set of reels. The first tune is called the Kilt Clone. I think it was written by Joe Lilly, the Leitrim fiddle player. And then I'm going to go into Love at the Endings, written by the great fiddle player Earraigh. Okay.
Okay, we're going to go on now with a well-known song called The Homes of Donegal. I've just dropped in to see you all. I'll only stay a while. I want to hear how you're getting on. I want to see you smile. I'm happy to be back again, to greet you big and small, for there's no place else on earth just like the Homes of Donegal. I long to see your smiling children standing by the door, the kettle boiling on the hearth as I walk up the floor, and then to see you welcome free for travellers one and all, for your hearts are like your mountains in the Homes of Donegal. I'd like to stay along with you and while away the night with fairy lore and tales of yore beside the turf fire bright, and then to see laid out for me a shakedown by the wall, for there's rest for weary wanderers in the Homes of Donegal. Now the time has come for me to go and bid you all adieu, for the open highway calls me back to do these things I do. But when I'm travelling far away, your friendship I'll recall, and please God I will return unto the Homes of Donegal. And please God I will return unto the Homes of Donegal. Okay, thanks very much for listening to our set. We're delighted to come back and play in Maddens. This is somewhere we love. So it's great to get back again after so long. And I want to say thank you so much to Féile and Football for inviting us to be part of this and to play as part of the trad sessions for Féile and Earraigh. We're going to do one more song for you, and this is, I suppose, coming up to St. Patrick's Day, sticking it with the St. Paddy's theme. We'll finish off with a song called Paddy's Green Shamrock Shore. So thanks for listening. Thank you. enjoy the rest of the music. We left our homes in Derrytown on the 24th of May. We were favoured by a pleasant gale going to America. Some drinking water we did take in 1,000 gallons or more, just in case we'd run short going to New York, far away from the Shamrock shore. So fare thee well, sweet Liza dear, and likewise to Derrytown. And twice farewell to my own wee girl that I left on that sainted ground. If fortune ever does favour me, or I do have money in store, I'll go home and I'll wed the wee girl that I left on Paddy's green Shamrock shore. We sailed 3 days, we were all seasick and no one on board was free. We were confined down to our beds, with no one to pity poor me. No father dear, no mother to pine, or to lift up my head when sore. And it made me feel sad, the wee girl that I left on Paddy's green Shamrock shore. We landed safe on the other side in 23 days. We were taken as strangers by the hands and led in our different ways. And each of us took a parting glass, just in case we might never meet more. And with flowing bumpers we drank a health to Paddy's green Shamrock shore. So fare thee well, sweet Liza dear, and likewise to Derrytown. And twice farewell to my own wee girl that I left on that sainted ground. If fortune ever does favour me, or I do have money in the store, I'll go home and I'll wed the wee girl that I left on Paddy's green Shamrock shore. I'll go home and I'll wed the wee girl that I left on Paddy's green Shamrock shore.